Hi guys. We're really excited. We just finally got our October or September? October?
September, October-ish?
Kawaii!
Yay!
So, first things first though. If you are new here, hello.
Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on that link. And hopefully you stay without the entirety of the video. Thank you for clicking on it as well.
Absolutely. And I'm not sure if you guys know, but because we have hidden our subscriber count, we hit 300 a week and a half ago. So
Yes.
we want to thank you all for watching and all for subscribing to our channel. We really do appreciate your support that you have given to our channel.
Yes, thank you so much. We are definitely grateful and thankful for every single one of you. We love reading those comments. Thank you for liking all of our videos so far. If you're new to the fandom, hi! If you're an oldie but goodie, as Brian says, hello!
Oh, wow. Another goal that we hit, another milestone, we hit over 1,000 hours watch time in a month. So thank you again for tolerating us enough to watch our videos.
And our old videos. See how far we have grown.
Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for everything. We never thought we would hit these milestones this year. Not setting ourselves up for failure. We just didn't think we were going to hit it, and we are so thankful for all the support.
It's the little things that we say in life that help us out a lot. So we go little by little with subscriber count. We go little by little with everything. So when it just blows up and amazes us, we're stunned and surprised and shocked and all that great stuff.
Oh yeah. So I made a boo-boo last video for Kawaii.
So we weren't able to show you guys because we recorded everything.
It was a great video.
It was a great video. We were super excited. We just didn't have sound.
No.
And I don't think you guys would have seen that. It would have been a little awkward.
We wanted to show you what we did get last time.
Well, just a few things. We don't want to ruin the surprise.
No. So last time we got, looks like, I think it's like the rooster or something.
No, I think it's Dale.
I don't know. It doesn't say either.
I'm pretty sure this is Dale. If you guys agree, comment, or just comment if you know what it is.
But it has a little rooster.
We might have to do research. No, that's the fur that's his little hair fur.
Comment below what you think it is. Cause we can go all day. So we got a little charm. So in Japan, one of the big things that they do, they have little hooks on their cell phones, and so they put like little charms.
And it's part of this.
Yeah, and so this one is Pluto with a with the pumpkin and candy and a little charm. So it's really cool. So and we got a couple other baggies, like Ziploc bags with Minnie and strawberries and stuff like that.
To match the other stuff.
Yeah, so
another cute thing we got last month is this. I love Chip and Dale so much.
Oh yeah, I forgot that. I thought it was just on this side. It was just little lemons. I didn't.
No, look at how cute. Oh, look at how adorable. See, I think it is Dale. Because look at Dale on this. And Dale there. I think it's Dale.
Who knows? So, without further ado.
Let's open the new one.
No, it's your turn this time.
Yeah, it is my turn. My turn. My turn.
I'll wait patiently. But she cheats, everyone. She peeks.
I may have done a little bit of this.
And you peek through the bags.
No, I did not. I did not.
But one thing we do still love is, I don't know if you can see it very clearly, but it's the kimono Mickey with Mount Fuji and everything. We love that towel.
Oh, that was easier than last time. They're in bags.
So again, before Amber jumps through the bags, Tokyo Kawaii Club is a membership that you can do.
Monthly membership.
Yep. And so we'll link everything down below.
We pay about $60. I think the box itself is $54.99. And then we have expedited shipping, which I think now Michael said it's airmail, so it's not by sea anymore. So
okay, that's cool.
A little bit quicker, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Michael also has a Twitch, Tokyo Kawaii Club.
And
or something on my mind.
And he has a store that you can a la carte whatever you want.
Yes, like there's special things that Tokyo Disney Sea has compared to what Disney World has. So there's like a lot of trading going on. Check out his Facebook. I think you can buy from his Facebook as well as the website.
Yeah.
Yep.
But again, the link is down below.
Definitely.
Michael's great.
Yeah, we are not sponsored by him at all. We pay monthly for our subscription, and we love it. And we've had it for a few months already.
Well, we tried it here and there, and then we've really done it since the beginning of this year. We really...
Yeah, so altogether, I would say a year.
Right.
Maybe a little bit more altogether. All right.
Without further ado, we bring to you your dinner.
So, Tokyo Disney Resort. So, we have this side. And then Minnie is in the back. Woo! And then it has the website up there too. Tokyo Disney Resort app as well.
See?
It's because I saw
What is that,
this.
a fan? Oh, it's a fan. That's cool.
That's neat. Wait. How do you... Oh, okay. Is it supposed to smell?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like the popsicle that they have over there.
Ooh.
That's what it looks like, the orange popsicle.
Oh, yeah.
Because that's the little holder for the popsicle. Oh, wow. Echo says hi. But they're kind of like the fans that Disney World has, huh?
Yeah. Oh, it's sturdy.
Yeah, it is. But look at how like it bends. It's supposed to bend.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, though.
Yeah, that's really cool. So, guys, it is Dale as a kite.
You want to take it out of the cake?
So cool.
And then this is the Mickey that we got last time. So they match.
And look, they have a little flag, like a little something underneath.
Oh, how cute.
That's so cool.
I have a chipped Tsum Tsum too.
And then this is the Mickey. And this one is the Dale.
Did you get them confused almost?
For a minute. I like him. Sorry.
He's so cute. Oh, here's a note. You the best, Michael. With Ariel.
Ooh.
Look, you want to show him?
And every package comes with a
Note.
handwritten note
From Michael.
from Michael himself.
And yes, they are customizable. He'll ask you like your favorite characters, and he'll try to stick by that. So it's really, really cool. He knows we love Ariel, Chip and Dale. Those are just a few. Tinkerbell.
Anything Mickey.
Obviously.
You can't be a Disney fan not like Mickey.
So here's a smaller bag of more goodies inside.
Sorry guys, I'm fixing the kites. Oh my god.
Oh, you guys! No way! Look at how cute! I love these little notepads. Let's see it. Yes, this is real excitement. This is not fake. And Brian knows. Okay, got it.
The only thing we don't bring up here is scissors when we do this.
It is heavy.
Holy cow. That's legit. Holy crap. That's
cow.
cool.
Oh, and look at it. You can I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a little stand. Want to show them the pictures?
Guys, I don't know how the camera's going to react to it. But look.
Look how cute the different ones there are.
They have those. I mean, they have sleeping. This is really cool.
That is super cute.
You know, and I need notepads for work.
No. So something we're obsessed with are pens, and I love gel pens. So that's perfect for my gel pens. He collects pens too. Oh no, I haven't used my other ones either, but look at it. It's mini. Look how cute. And they're not like thick socks either. That's cool.
There's a reason why. So in Japanese, kawaii means cute. There's a reason why he named this thing, because everything that he sends is really cute.
It's cute. It's super cute or adorable. Like, there's probably other words. A magnet clip?
What?
For like books and magazines?
Oh, that's so cool.
Look. I don't know if you guys can see. It's Mickey.
The things that the Japanese come up with is simply amazing.
Don't do this with your teeth, guys. You might be able to get it more than what I can.
And their packaging is amazing.
It's really cool. Oh, I started it for him. They're like not cheap either.
Oh wow.
Oh, and on the other side.
So they fold like what Amber was saying for the books.
Or like, you know how we have these?
Yeah.
The bags. Like, what does it look like clipped? Let's just see. Ah.
That's neat.
And there's Mickey in purple.
There's Mickey and Minnie.
Last thing, you guys. Oh no.
I'll do a close up real quick.
Then our last thing. It's Minnie.
It's Minnie.
Let's open it. Oh, it's sturdy. Not like dirty, sturdy. Here.
I was like, what? Holy, yeah, this thing's heavy.
Yeah. I don't know if it's, oh, like for your backpack?
Yeah.
Or a keychain.
That is really, really cool.
It's cute though. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things.
Yeah.
And it ranges, he said, like 4 or 5, maybe 6, depends.
It depends on pricing. These are all really cool stuff.
Did you show them?
I didn't show the mask, no.
This was last month as well. We just kind of uncovered this. It's a mask. But guys, like, some really cute things. They're adorable. They're totally unique and different.
I get distracted because I start playing with... I'm sorry.
That's all it is, I mean.
But guys, Tokyo Kawaii Club, amazing. If you don't have a chance, if you have a chance to check it out, definitely go down below and click on the link and reach out to Michael. He is one of a kind, and your package that he sends you will always be one of a kind. Yeah,
and if you tell him, say that Echo Travel Adventures sent you, I'm pretty sure he kind of knows me because we've been ordering, like I said, for a very long time from him. I mean, we don't get any incentives, paybacks, nothing from him. We just like showing you guys what's in these boxes and what's available.
Right, and we would tell you if we were, and we
absolutely.
don't. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for clicking on the channel, clicking on the video to watch. We do hope you liked everything that you did see.
Yeah, and if you know of anybody that might like these type of things, definitely send them our link, send them our way.
Yeah.
And say, hey, look, this is what's in it. See if you like it. And if they do, then hey, that might be a good Christmas present.
Yeah, for sure. And Michael, if you are watching, thank you so much for everything that you have done.
Thank
and we
you.
hope that you're staying safe over there in Japan.
Yes, definitely staying safe and healthy and happy and all that great stuff.
And guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.